back to that point you made about social media, you're focusing on it. So a lot of from what I've heard from just agents that I've talked to, people who want to get started in industry, people who have started in industry, they want to know, like, they've heard about social media. Obviously, they use it, but they don't really know, like, from their perspective, what they can provide in terms of value to the audience, right? To the people that is on their platform. They don't know how they can actually post content and what kind of content to post, because they always, I say, make the excuse, the alibi, but they say that, hey, I'm new and I don't really know what I can post that can be of value to people. So could you just kind of walk us through a little bit on what kind of content you post and how you're coming up with like the content that you are, being from a part-time background and then you were to real estate background as well?
Yeah, so I post a lot of helpful things for for people that I'm trying to rein in, is like ways that they could buy or sell their house, like
Mhm.
ways, the step by step and how to do these things. I post a lot of helpful tips, like organizing tips, or how to be how to stage your house, you know what I mean, and things like that. I post like in the market information, that's provided with other real estate, through our, realtor.com, the realtor membership that we all, join. Things that you can find, that a lot of people who aren't in the industry don't know about, you know what I mean, and would like to know, like, hey, what what's the average selling price last month, like what in this area, or what is the, did it sell for, more or less than what it was listed for, you know what I mean, like things like that, where if it's something that, if what would interest you, you know what I mean, like that's something that someone else would want to know. And I also post, like, things that are on MLS that might be interest somebody, you know what I mean, like to help, gain leads that way, you know what I mean? So, um, and that's at the end of the day, you're trying to generate leads, so, anytime you can stay top of mind is the most important thing. And even if it's not real estate related, I send, motivational, quotes, you know what I mean? Like, any helpful tips, or just being, posting where you are these days, or going to other, community areas, like, I love going out for ice cream. So I'll post on there, that, love this place, recommendations, you know what I mean? And things like that. Or if there's someone that my favorite shop likes, posted something that I liked, I'll repost it for them, you know what I mean? So, um, so that's a way that I'm generating content, I guess, on my social media.